Welcome to Radio Express American News, presented by Vibha Ramesh from Los Angeles, United States. An internet-based Zoom meeting in memory of the world-renowned rationalist and author late Joseph Edumarico was hosted from Europe by his son Sanal Edumarico. Friends, colleagues and readers of Edumarico, nearly 600 of them from across the globe, attended the meeting. Joseph Edumarico was an eminent rationalist, scholar and author of 173 books and more than 2,000 articles, mainly in the Malayalam language. An indefatigable campaigner against obscurantism, superstitions and blind belief, Edumarico represents a colorful era of Indian rationalism. He was the president of the Indian Rationalist Association from 1995 to 2005. He was instrumental in building up the strong rationalist movement in Kerala, where he lived several years, and in many other Indian states. Edumarico passed away in 2006. Hailing from a traditional Syrian Christian family that contributed bishops and priests to the church, close experience with the church and Bible education made him a rationalist and atheist while still in his teens. He became an activist, married solely from a Hindu family, and challenged caste marriages. His autobiography, Kodungattu Uyarthiya Kalam, The Times That Raised the Tempest, won the Kerala Literary Academy Award as the best autobiography in Malayalam in 2000. Important books of Joseph Edumarico include Cultural History of Kerala, 1977, Christ and Krishna Never Lived, 1981, Quran, A Critical Study, 1982, Bhagavad Gita, A Critical Study, 1982, Rationalist State, 1983, Upanishads, A Critical Study, 2004, and a series of 36 books on world religions between 1984 and 1987. As a journalist, Joseph Edumarico edited daily newspapers and mass-circulated magazines published rationalist journals. At the age of 22, he joined as a professional journalist in Malayalam Manorama, a large circulated newspaper in southern India. He was the first editor of the popular Manorama yearbook between 1956 and 1970. He was the chief editor of Kerala Bhushanam Daily between 1970 and 77. He was also the Delhi bureau chief of Kerala Shabdam between 1977 and 2006. Joseph Edumarico passed away on 29 June 2006 while he was in sleep. He was active and attended meetings and TV interviews even on the last day of his life. Respecting his wish, his eyes and body were donated to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi, body for anatomy studies of medical students and eyes for 2 blind people who got eyesight with that. As a tribute to Joseph Edumarico, Radio Express will broadcast a special program, Snehanjali, tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eminent Indian media persons, socio-political leaders and Mr. Sanal Edumarico, son of Joseph Edumarico, will participate in this radio program. Please tune in to Radio Express at 7 p.m. tomorrow to listen in to Snehanjali. To receive Radio Express English news and English programs in your WhatsApp, please send a WhatsApp message, English programs, to 90727 95547, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel Radio Express. Thank you.